JCOM. Dear members of JCOM, dear members of JCI India, JCOM Hour. Next week, 28th May, 11 AM, we are coming up with a very special program. Export for beginners. If you really want to start your journey of export, you want to start your sales, you want to grow up as exporter, you want to add a tag with your company of an exporter, then come and join next week, 28th May, 11 AM, JCOM Hour, Export for Beginners. We will start from the beginning. How to register your company as an exporter. What are the documents you need to register as exporter? What are the documents you need to begin with the exports? So stay tuned. 28th May, 11 AM. We have a very special speaker, Mrs. Swarn Dhiman. She is having vast experience of foreign trade policy. So stay tuned. May 28th, 11 AM, Sunday, JCOM Hour. JCOM.